Have you ever had such cool horsey plates? Hi, my name is April. I'm an equestrian and I own an equine-inspired business. So today I wanted to do another review on the items that I've gotten in a previous Cavali Club box. I believe this was the spring, no, I can't remember exactly to be off the top of my head. And this is the box that it came in. I'll make sure to put in the description below like what box it was, this past box. So here I'm just gonna kind of review some of the items and how I've used them, how I've liked them, and then like the wear and tear of them and such. So let's just go ahead and dive right in. Because you all know I love Cavali Club. You know I love supporting small businesses, especially if they're horse related. So this is of course one of my favorite things. So as I showed in the beginning, these are really awesome horse plates. They go along with that box that I just showed. And they're just really cool designs on here. I know she worked with an artist to get these done. I'll make sure to put that in the description below too. I also put some of my videos that I've done when I open up the box. They're in the cards above, and you can see that pop across the screen now. Just when I first get them. So these plates are super cool. It says Jean, I think it's Fry, I think for the artist, but these plates are amazing, especially when you have a toddler and she just absolutely loves them. Every time she sees them, she gets really excited. So we use them very often. I don't like to put them in the dishwasher because I know over time it would just increase the fade of them. So we try not to. They have gone in the dishwasher a couple of times, you know, when the husband does the dishes and he forgets not to put them in the dishwasher. They've made it in there a few times, but probably not awful. And now that I think about this, I think this was the summer box of last year. And then because of COVID, she had to switch up an item in this box because some things were delaying on it. And it's in the next box, and I'll probably be showing a review of those items too. And these are little napkin holders. Aren't these adorable? So I haven't used these much. The plates have definitely been used a lot. Just a ton. Like they're always being used because I know my daughter just loves them. And if we like have any snacks or something, we put them on here. But most of the time, it's usually for my daughter. And these napkin rings, I haven't used them much yet, but I do plan on using them. And like I've said in another video, I've kind of like put all my Cavali Club like home items and like even the kitchen items almost all stay in one area now. One of the really cool things, I even kept the bag. I keep bags all the time. Is the Hart belt. I think it's so cool. This it was started by two friends. They're younger girls, but I think what they're doing is really awesome. Yeah, it's Hart Outfitters. And look at that belt. I know there's different belts people got. I think even like a white one or such. I've worn it a couple times and I actually really like it. I haven't been writing English as much, but even with like regular pants, this is really cute and this design is super cute. The durability is amazing. And it even kind of stretches a little bit. There's a little stretch in it. Like you wouldn't think at first, but if you put a little tug on it, there is actually a stretch. So I actually really like this. And I like how the leather's on here. And it still smells like brand new leather, even though I've used it a few times now. Even though it doesn't look like it because it kind of rolls up easily still. But I definitely like this item. I've looked at their website a lot, and eventually when I start writing some more English, I definitely want to get some of their clothing. I definitely know when I start writing again, I need to, especially in the summertime, if we're going to stay in Texas, is get some of those summer shirts that have the long sleeves and such. As you've probably seen in some of my previous videos and this one, I'm really fair-skinned. So having long sleeve shirts for the summer is definitely like a must for me. And I don't have too many of those. So that I definitely need to be getting for sure. One thing that I can't show you, and I might be able to show an image up here on the screen, is that I did, I think they were called the TidBit Treats, and I did use all those up over a course of a few visits to the barn, and I know there's a lot of awesome nutritional value to a lot of those treats, but my horse just gobbled them up. So yes, they are horse approved treats for sure. But yeah, I will put up there called the TidBits, I believe. Then next, I have the Colorado Balm, and you've probably seen my other video. I can put it up in the cards or even in the description below of my review on the Colorado Balm. It's orange vanilla scented. I've used it quite a bit now already. You can probably see how much I've used it, but I used my bridle's sitting over here on the ground right now. But I used it to clean the full bridle after I reviewed it, so I really like this. It does put on like a little thicker coat, and your hands feel amazing after using this. Not really cakey like you would sometimes if you're using saddle soap, but if it's almost like a lotion, like a thicker lotion, but it feels really good on your hands. And then I guess last but not least, this time now, and it's a little dirty, so don't mind that. I just finished cleaning. So you can tell I've actually really used this. I was gonna get ready to wash it, so it looks a little damp right now, but my bridle was really dirty, and this was amazing to use instead of getting that all over my hand. I did use it with the Colorado Balm. This is called the Tack Saver, I believe. Yes. So that was awesome to use on my bridle. And I know it's like a little girl that owns this or started this business. I just think this is a cute little company, and you can also see me using this in that other video where I review the 2 different leather conditioners. All right, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that thumbs up button below and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.